Hi, I'm George B. Thomas, and welcome back to our journey through the Superhuman Framework. In the last video, we explored how love transforms individuals, you, the humans. Today, we're taking it to the next level, how love can elevate teams into powerhouse of trust, collaboration, and creativity. Now, let me ask you this. Have you ever been part of a team where the energy was electric, where everyone had each other's back? Ideas flowed freely, and every challenge felt like an opportunity. Well, that's the magic of love in action within teams. If you've experienced that, you know how transformative it can be. And if not, well, let's unlock that potential together, right here, right now. Teams are where individual strengths meet collective purpose. But without trust and collaboration, even the best teams struggle to reach their potential. Love, expressed as empathy, respect, and genuine care, creates the foundation for teams to thrive. And today we're going to explore how to foster love in your team to build psychological safety, embrace diversity, and achieve shared success. So, are you ready to rock and roll? Then let's go ahead and dive in. First, let's talk about psychological safety, a fancy term with a simple meaning. It's about feeling safe to speak up without fear of judgment or retaliation. Teams that cultivate this safety innovate faster, solve problems more effectively, and grow stronger together. And guess what? Love, it's the secret ingredient. When team members feel seen and valued, they're more likely to share ideas and admit mistakes. One way to build this safety is by leading with curiosity. Instead of jumping to conclusions, ask questions like, can you tell me more about your perspective? Or how can we support you in this challenge? See, even small shifts like these foster trust and openness. Next, let's address diversity. Teams are stronger when they celebrate differences. Love invites us to see the unique strengths each person brings and creates an environment where those strengths can shine. It's not just about representation. Honestly, it's about integration. Here's an exercise I want you to try. At your next team meeting, invite everyone to share one thing they feel uniquely equipped to contribute. You'll be amazed at how this simple act not only boosts confidence, but also uncovers hidden talents. Finally, let's talk about collaboration. Love-driven teams don't just work together, they succeed together. They celebrate wins as a group and face setbacks as a united front. They're not competing with each other, they're complementing each other. And one strategy is to incorporate gratitude into your team culture. At the end of every project or even a regular work week, take 5 minutes for team members to share one thing they appreciate about a colleague's contribution. Gratitude reinforces trust and it strengthens bonds. Still with me? Great. Because here's the thing. When love leads, teams don't just perform, they flourish. And I'm about to give you a practical exercise to bring these concepts to life in your teams. Try this at your next team meeting. Start with a love-centered check-in. Ask 3 questions. What's one thing you're proud of this week? What's one challenge you're facing? And finally, how can the team support you? 3 simple but powerful questions. You see, this exercise builds trust, encourages vulnerability, and fosters a culture of care, aka love. When team members feel supported, they're more engaged and willing to contribute their best. And that's what you're looking for. You see, love is the glue that transforms teams from groups of individuals into cohesive, unstoppable units. And when teams lead with love, it creates a ripple effect that touches everyone they interact with. But what happens when leaders model love from the top? Well, that's what we'll explore in the next video. How love in leadership inspires trust, inspires loyalty, and better performance. You won't want to miss this one. Hey, if this video resonates with you, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, and let us know in the comments. What's one way you've seen love make a difference in a team that you've been part of? I can't wait to hear your stories. Until next time, keep building with love and transforming your teams into something extraordinary, into something superhuman.